Hello my darling friends and welcome to Eating Well with Muriel, where today we are doing the big tea day. We are going to make a fabulous turkey. I'm going to show you my tips, all the little healthy spices I use. This is out of my wonderful Healthy Happy Holiday cookbook, as you know. And why am I wearing some very pretty blue gloves today? Because I do not want to get all the turmeric and the spices in my nails. Okay, let's get started. Turkey breast down, and that's how I'm gonna cook it for the first 1 hour and 45 minutes. So all the juice go to the bottom of your breast and it's gonna be super juicy. Then we turn it over, okay? Reserve your spice rub because you might have to put another coat when we turn it over. Okay. Washish! Ready, set, go! Eating Well with Muriel today, and remember, it's in my cookbook Healthy Happy Holidays. You have the full-on recipe with all the hours that you have to follow for the turkey. Enjoy!